The initial weeks of marital separation are probably the most turbulent, uncertain part of the divorce process. The first few choices that spouses must make when they are contemplating divorce are important legal strategy decisions that require thoughtful consideration. Your divorce lawyer can help to assess the risks and possible consequences of those initial decisions. Number 1, do you move out or stay put? Most states do not recognize a legal separation as they did many years ago. Some couples get separated when one spouse moves out. Still, it is possible to be separated in the eyes of the law while still living together under the same roof. A spouse who moves out must decide where to move, whether to take the children or property, and how the move might affect finances and custody arrangements. Spouses who stay put must be prepared to pay the expenses for the marital residence during the separation period, as well as the possibility that the other spouse might refuse to move away, creating an uncomfortable standstill. Do you file divorce or do you wait? Filing a divorce action is an important step in some cases where there is a need to freeze bank accounts or credit cards, obtain financial records, or seek exclusive possession of the marital residence. On the other hand, there may be a financial advantage in simply collecting support during the separation period without starting a divorce battle. Number 3, do you attempt reconciliation or just stay apart? Repairing a broken marriage isn't easy, but some have done it. Still, attempting to reconcile may have unintended legal consequences that must be considered. Reconciliation might delay the official separation date, which affects the value of marital property and the timetable for finalizing a divorce. The law generally does not permit spouses to have it both ways by preserving a separation date while attempting to reconcile. Some couples sign a postnuptial agreement to settle their financial disputes in case their reconciliation doesn't work out. Number 4, do you withdraw funds or leave them? Joint bank accounts and credit cards are common battlegrounds in the initial phase of a divorce. Making withdrawals from joint accounts or charges on joint credit cards might be viewed as a hostile tactic, but a spouse who would otherwise be penniless might have no other choice. Conversely, raiding a joint bank account might deplete the goodwill needed to work out a settlement. Number 5, who do you trust? Trust is one of the first casualties of divorce, so you need to find reliable allies. Make a list of supportive friends and family members who are able to keep your confidences and empathize with your feelings. Physical activities like exercise can reduce stress more effectively than alcohol or junk food. Hire a family lawyer you feel comfortable with. It is important to understand what your lawyer is saying and to be heard when you speak to your lawyer. Consider lawyers who concentrate their practice in divorce and know the nuances of this complex area of legal practice. For family law help in Western Pennsylvania, call me. I'm Brian Virts, and for 25 years I've represented all kinds of people with complicated child support and divorce issues. My law firm is a powerful team of lawyers dedicated to family law. In Pittsburgh and Western Pennsylvania, call me at 412-471-9000.